We're going to go bake at Colleges Against Cancer.
First, we're gonna go find where we're gonna go bake.
This is true, but it's right over there. It's invisible distance now, so like we won't get lost this time. So
We bake cookies
and
cupcakes.
Cupcakes.
Not cookies.
We're going to Target now.
Yes.
What are we getting?
Delsum.
Airborne. Tell me this isn't creepy. Look. You see?
Like hold the camera that way and like go into it. The camera.
Okay, so we got Airborne.
It's not in the camera.
Airborne. And vitamin C.
Airborne. Here, you say it.
Airborne. Vitamin C. Drops. I don't know what Delsum is, but...
Cough syrup.
Oh, I needed cough syrup. And Ricola.
Obviously, I'm sick.
Ricola.
And chapstick.
And chapstick. Okay, we're good, my friend. These things are so cute. My mom, when she was looking for like something for me to get out of the shower in, she like was gonna buy that for me, but then she realized it's for like people that are like 3 feet tall.
Do they make $50?
I don't know. I would get one if they did. That's like so soft to the point of where like I don't know if I'd feel comfortable wearing this.
Yeah,
like on my
I don't
bed.
like really soft things.
No, I know, but like really soft things make like me feel weird.
I know.
Like when it's like this soft.
Like it needs to be like that.
Yeah.
That's, like certain softness.
Yeah, it can't pass a certain softness. Also, it scares me. Ooh, these are cool duct tapes. Look at this one.
These like blew up.
This like.
I have hot pink in this one.
So, we missed our bus. We have such good luck. And Morgan.
So we had to call a cab. It was really shitty. Kind of smelled like smoke in there. It smelled so bad. But we're
He had
back
a radio
safe.
voice.
Yeah,
He really did.
He
really had
I
a
thought he
radio
was doing that when he was talking about the radio station, the college
No,
radio
but he was
station. But he was
that voice
actually
the entire
yeah.
time.
Yeah. So, I got Airborne. I'm not talking to you. And I got grapefruit. Now I'm talking to a cran. Does grapefruit taste good? Why do you make that face? It sounded the best out of all of them.
I have orange.
Yeah, I was gonna get orange, and Morgan's like, I don't like orange, don't get orange.
They all kind of suck a little bit. Just chug it.
Shucks. Chug it, okay. Do I just put it into water?
Yeah, and then make sure it's all just doing the rights.
Airborne. Do you think this is 16 ounces?
Sure.
You don't sound convinced.
No.
The whole thing is 17 ounces. Look. That's probably 16 ounces.
It's better.
Break it in half. Ugh. Drop it in. Ah, look at it. It's fizzing. Woo. It looks so cool. Okay, so it's been sitting for a minute. And now it looks like this. It has like foamy stuff at the top. Is it supposed to have foamy stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. It smells a little funky. Kind of smells like Pepto-Bismol.
You got grapefruit over this one.
I'm scared. Do I just have to like chug it? Is it gonna taste like medicine?
If you did it right, it should be fizzy.
Oh, it is a little fizzy.
The more water you
What?
the flatter it gets. Yeah, grapefruit probably not your best idea. Just chug it as fast as you can.
No, I think it definitely tastes better than orange. But it's like weird.
I don't know. Maybe I just also don't like grapefruits.
It doesn't taste. I guess it does taste sort of like grapefruit. Okay, it's not really that bad. Stuff-a-plush.
Yep, Stuff-a-plush.
What's Stuff-a-plush? Do you kind of put
Kill the bear.
vlogging right now? I'm vlogging right now. Hi.
With such conviction.
I was so pissed. I thought we got here early enough. Hi, Morgan.
Hi, Amy.
What's up?
Nothing. How are you?
Good.
This line is ridiculous.
I'm tired. Are you tired?
Yeah.
I'm just sick too. Look at this line. Oh, I can't go that way.
Well, it goes there.
It goes there and around
And then around some more.
You know the light lounge I always talked about in the videos? It's right there.
And it like all the lights.
Wait for the lights to change. Change you now. Look how still. Oh, yeah, it changed. See, that's the light lounge. We're playing Uno. Don't forget your nest foot. No, now her foot's in the way, man. Let's go.
Do you keep picking cards until you can go?
Until you can go, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
Those are wild cards, you know.
Oh! So I pick it until it's blue.
Do you have a blue? No. Do you have a wild?
See, I remember that.
It's okay.
But now I pick up 4 cards. Why would you tell me that then? Because I'm not mean. Can't do
No. Keep picking. Go.
I know, I have a stack of cards.
No, but like the funny thing is I actually convinced myself that was okay to do.
Do you like runway walk?
I don't know the runway.
Runway walking.
It's like
No, it's not.
yes, it is.
You don't go.
Yes, you do.
No, by your side.
I could do it if I had to run my. It's not like a big deal. Yeah, it's just like a flight of stairs.
Just say hi again. I wasn't paying attention though. Her sweater. I'm showing off your sweater.
Stop, Kaya. Which one should I get? You're on the spot now, Morgan. You gotta do it.
Doing
Spotlight's on you. Spotlight's on you. Go, do
Amy,
it.
I'm not doing that.
Say nom 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 nom. In the voice. Come on.
Do it.
So the fire alarm just went off. This is a joke. Yeah.
What am I supposed to get to?
Did someone pull it? What do we do?
Grab a bear and run.
I'm not moving.
People that work here are leaving, so we should too. Are you guys not seriously not leaving?
I don't know. You really think it's a...
Forgetting them.
I don't see cats or yet.
Can I have a duck as well? Thank you. Okay. We got ours empty. Okay. This is really effed up. Whoever did this. I'm stuffing it. Are you showing him getting stuffed?
No, I'm working on like I think I'd rather
I think it's get a stuffed animal. Luffy, you kissed the heart. Call me Luffy. And then you zip it up. And then you shove it in.
And you Velcro.
And you Velcro. Maybe I'll just take it back and stuff it. Look at him.
They're like unstuffing.
Yeah. Show them your little plushie.
This is my plush. I haven't named him yet.
Say, I like turtles.
No.
Do it. No. Do it.
But I think he's really cute. And I think...
Lauren, show your plush. Is your plush done?
No.
It's not done.
He's still in operation. Okay, your sign fell off your door.
Okay, now the heart.
Okay.
I tried to slide down there, but there wasn't. So I don't think so.
Yeah, my legs versus the guy like tearing down the sign. Hey, now we trade.
Trade. Look, I got a little fat duck.
I got a fat duck too.
So cute.
No, we're gonna go through the alphabet because I like something. Blinky the ducky.
Okay, so it has to rhyme with ducky.
Okay, Ucky the ducky.
Ucky the ducky.
Ucky.
Ucky. Ucky. No,
Lucky
Ucky.
the ducky.
No, Lucky. No.
Ucky.
Ucky the ducky.
Like UCKY the ducky.
Make it 2 U's so it's cool.
Then it'd be Uki.
No. It's Ucky the ducky.
It's so funny, but no. That better make it into the video.
No, do it. I like
Started out
turtles.
like this.
I like turtles.
No, that's not how you do it.
Ready?
Ready?
I like turtles.
This is a snake.
I'm trying to put his shirt on, but look.
Stuck in his
stuck.
head.
I shaved.
So now you're
last
shaved.
night.
Look, Josh is shaved. Quackers, and
Ucky the ducky.
That one's Kai's, that one's
You guys
mine.
need to chill with your ducks.
Ducky's for Snowfall. You look cuties.
Ucky the ducky.
And
says
Quackers
goodnight.
say goodnight. Good night.